Inintroduce na kita eh. John Arcilia.
Akin na lang itong mic na mas may buo ka, wala nakukuha. Anyway, I'm sorry. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. And, well, nakita niyo naman siguro, I am so proud to be part of this cast. Kasi sobrang nangilab ako sa lahat, sa buong cast. Especially sa Kimbao. Sila, yeah. Sila yung isa sa pinaka-down-to-earth na stars na makakatrabaho ko sa And, yeah. Naku, baka may magalit po sa akin. Ano lang po to nailab ako kay Joshua Padilla. Isa sa... Conrad. As a character, yes. Kasi sobrang... Joshua Padilla is not just the... hindi lang siya yung divine diva ng music industry, pero she's one of the best actresses we have in entertainment industry. So talagang sobrang para sa akin kasi dream come true yun, partner ko ng mahaba si Shasha. So sobrang proud ako na naging part ako nito. Para naman ngayon na ako gumawa ng teleserye, pero kakaiba kasi talaga yung energy namin. So umpisa makita mo lang kami sa on camera na mukha kaming dysfunctional, pero kitang-kita ko, damang-dama ko yung connection ng bawat isa pagdating sa behind the scenes. So, thank you po. Thank you po for coming in. Bantayan niyo po sa November 7.
Hello, good afternoon po. Ay, salamat po sa mga nanood ng The Alibi pilot ngayon. So, lahat po nung napanood nyo ngayong episode na to, bantayan nyo po sila kasi habang tumatakbo po yung kwento, it will all make sense. So, thank you po.
Thank you.
Ganon.
Alright. Direct?
I'm very grateful to have worked with Kim Pao, especially that Ate Kim already worked with my mom before. When they worked with that project, they worked together in that project, she wouldn't stop talking about Ate Kim. She loved Ate Kim! And I was like, oh, the moment I worked with her, I now get it. It's a very full circle moment because she's so easy to work with. Napakagaan po yung aura ng set at ng cast. Everyone's very patient, and every single day I learn something new. So sobrang grateful din ako sa Dreamscape, sa Prime bosses, ABS-CBN bosses for this opportunity and for the trust. I feel like almost every cast here, my family has worked with. So this project has been like a very full circle moment for me, especially with Robbie, my scene partner, because my dad has worked with his mom in plenty of movies, and they were tandems also. So.
Thank you, Angelina. Robbie?
Same question.
Yes.
Well, yun nga, you mentioned that this is our teleserye debut. And a fun fact for everyone actually, the first scene I ever took with Kuya Pao was the first scene I took as an actor in my life. So, sobra talaga akong kinabahan. I mean, as you guys can imagine, right? I was in front of Kuya Pao, and in my head, I'm like, oh my goodness, it's Paolo Avellino in front of me, with all the lights and the camera, and I was so nervous, but at the same time, as a fresh actor, I feel so incredibly blessed because during the lock-in cycles, we got to establish certain dynamics, relationships with each cast member. I felt so privileged na, halimbawa, magkakaroon kami ng medyo mahabang kwento session with Sir John. Before I know it, I'm being given such, valuable wisdom, such Easter eggs of information and knowledge about acting that I'll surely carry on for the rest of my life. So thank you for that. And of course, with Angelina, it was a very intimidating experience, but dahil magkasama kami ni Angelina, even from workshops, lagi po kami magkasama sa mga eksena, and having a buddy there, someone beside me, is really helpful and made me much more comfortable. So, yeah.
Thank you, Angelina and Robbie.
But working with actors that I get to be with, not only, kasi nag-aasap din kami, so ibang field. Tapos biglang ito artista ka, may mga characters kayo na nakaka-challenge talaga. And nasasiyahan ako kasi kaya Direct Jojo, nakatrabaho ko na siya. Pero, yan, first time namin. So, very intense. Iba yung, masarap kasi ma-handle ng talagang magagaling na director. Dahil ako always open to learning. Yun palagi kong iniisip. Kailangan meron ka matutunan dito, meron ka ma-take home sa mga kasama mo. Iniisip ko palagi yung pati mga style nila pag-deliver, pinag-aaralan ko yun. Tinitignan ko sila, maganda yung ginagawa niya. Meron din akong takot, syempre, tungkol sa emotion, because acting is a lot of emotions, right? So, you really have to be there on the set. And joke ko nga sa family ko, sorry, hindi ako masyado, I'm not in touch with you, medyo may method ako ng konti. Kasi meron ako ditong pamilya. So, sila yung inaasikaso ko, sila yung... So, napakadali din pala kapag nasa set ka like we were in Cebu. It was easy to slip into your character. And we even say, oh, we miss Cebu when we see it. We miss our home, we miss, di ba? Ang bahay po namin ay isang resort actually. Ganun kami kayaman. Pag naiisip ko itong pamilyang to, and years from now, I will always treasure this memory. Kasi napaka-special po talaga.
Oh, thank you very much, Ms. Shasha.
Within the first week, wala na ako. But yun nga, pag-uusapan yung character ko until the end. And there's ang daming flashbacks. And ang daming revelations. It was such an interesting role to do. The backstory na malalaman nyo later on sa kwento. Yung relationship with yung mga ibang cast members, the characters. Ang daming revelations. So it's a great character, but it was really exciting. It was really fun to do. Yeah.
Thank you. And now for Rafael.
Such a beautiful cast, and more than anything, every cast member was so good at slipping into their role na parang bilang artista or actor sa set, hindi mo na kailangan pumasok sa character kasi makikita mo silang lahat. Nagiging totoo na yung set eh. So with such amazing directors then giving such clear targets, thank you so much. Na this whole project para sa akin, it just became a walk in the park dahil parang nabuhay si Matthew Cabrera dahil sa mga actors sa paligid ko. So as a part, as a member of this cast, sobrang honored lang ako, super grateful, and the trust from Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, of course Prime Video, and all my cast members and my two directors. I really, really enjoyed this role. And I think in the coming episodes, you'll just see more fun from all the characters getting deeper and deeper talaga.
Thank you so much.